We're at a construction site, man. Boss,
Man, I can't believe we got this job, even though we didn't finish school. Anyways,
yeah, but I kind of skipped signing the job application for those who know reasons. I just walked to, and I got walked to.
Did you say the word? Did you
job
say
application? Job application.
J-O. Anyways, come on. All right, we're gonna
make sure to yell while screaming like really loud.
Oh wait. Oh.
Yeah, you want to just scream. You want to scream. You want to continuously screaming while jumping down.
Okay.
I'm here. I'll give you a little head start. I'm pushing, guys. Yeah. It can't be that bad. Whoa. Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Anyways, we picked up this.
Really open it.
It's a bag.
Oh, weird. Whoa! Ooh, chicken nugget. Ooh, yummy! Eat it. Yeah, I'll eat it first. Oh, that's really good.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it.
Wait.